Here's a financial lesson. Love it or hate it. It's facts. This might sting a little. So if you know you're going to get in your feelings, swipe up right now. And otherwise, let's grow. It's easier to make $40,000 a week than it is to make $40,000 in a year. It's even easier to make $40K in a day than it is to make $40K in a week. Making $40,000 a year is hard work. The difference between rich and poor is how they leverage things. Rich people leverage people so they have more time to do what they want. Poor people leverage their own time for the dollars they make. Have a sense of urgency in this financial arena. Poor and middle class feel like everything is expensive because, well, they pay for things with money that they trade their time for. They trade their time for dollars. Only to exchange your time for money when the price is worth your value. Wealthy entrepreneurs that are creators don't make money by the hour. The more they disconnect revenue generation from time, the more money you will make. If that went over your head, watch this again. Otherwise, tap in. Learn how to get ready for the next level. Let's grow.